Now, to move further, I would request Pankaj that I do this few words.
Also, also have to make a special mention of Seher, who's our youngest climate warrior. Where is she? She has left the building. She's going to plant a tree. Okay. Okay. But Asif bhai, a round of applause for Asif bhai also. He's at it. So, well done. Very persuasive.
Yes, Pankaj, very big applause for the Honorable Minister.
घुस गया
Subbu ma'am, please.
हाँ इकडे 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 हो
So, hello all the dignitaries of the dais, my very good friends, and always aware of the society, world, need of the hour, and health icon also I must say, and who's really participating in environment activities from bottom of my heart, Shilpa Shetty, my colleague, always encouraging, we encourage each other, we are actually very good friends. Jay Kumar Rawal, he is also my minister with me and more senior to me actually. How many elections you have won? Six terms. Yeah, so he's always been there for me. My very good friend again, Ajinkya D.Y. Patil and Pooja Ajinkya Patil, this is their premises. And all of them on the dais actually, the Shivani Mahekar who's taking legacy of Dr. Mahekar ahead, whole team, and no, last but not the least, हमारे आसिफ भाई, आसिफ बांग्ला फाउंडेशन एंड उनके आसिफ बांग्ला फाउंडेशन में जिन्होंने एक नई सुबह लाई है वो शहर, very she I don't know, she's on some plant, so she's planting a tree outside and Aish also, like Ajinkya D.Y. Patil and Pooja Patil's daughter also participating. So I can see a lot of youth here, a lot of young faces here. It encourages me as environment minister because whenever we create something, it is our culture to give it to the next generation. So our people, like our ancestors, they created land, wealth, and they gave it to us. But now we have to create something else, which is not maybe tangible, but which is very important for our life. And we all have to inherit what we inherited, we have to give to our next generation. Also, along with that, we have to give trees, we have to give oxygen, we have to give clean drinking water, and we have to work on minimizing things. We have to work on reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is going to be three important mantras of next generation. Now you are seeing the situation of the globe, like where wars are happening on fuel, next is going to be on the water. So we have to be very aware of the situation. I am very happy to see the young faces here. They are aware already because they know every breath we are taking today is from the breath we are taking from our kids, our next generation. So we have to give them back. We have to create this wealth for them, and we are only doing it. ये हमने बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट करने में, हमारे वर्ल्ड के कंपटीशन में जाने में बड़े हाईवेज को बना दिए, बड़े टनल्स को बना दिए, मेट्रोज बना दिए, पर इसके साथ जो हमारी सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति है, हमारी माता पृथ्वी, जो हमारी जैसे वेरी राइटली शिल्पा सेड कि वी बिलोंग टू अर्थ, अर्थ डजंट बिलोंग टू अस, तो इसके लिए हमें काम करना है. If you see even our culture, whenever we imagine any god or goddess, we always see them with some plant or some animal. So that is a message always our culture also has given. We have always worshipped. Whenever we do any puja, we first do Bhumi Puja. We give Mother Earth first. Then we do puja of Agni. We do puja of Vriksh. हमारी ही संस्कृति में ये सब था जो हम भूल गए हैं और कहीं हम लोग डेवलपमेंट के साथ जाते हुए हमारे कल्चर को और हमारे नेचर को पीछे छोड़ रहे हैं. So it is a high time now. We all are sweating. It is very hot, and in May we are sweating. The temperature is so high. And when I used to go to school, I used to not feel so hot. When I started going to college, the days were becoming hotter and hotter. And yesterday, I was reading all the reports. This is the high, yes, heat year, the highest temperature year, 2024 highest now, 26 highest. There will not be enough rains, there will not be rain on time. So we have to all be very, very aware. Every single drop of water is important. Every plant, with every green thing is important which is growing in the nation. We have to all save. And I'm very happy Shilpa always said that she wanted to be working on plantation drive, giving back to the society, and on her son's birthday also she planted a lot of trees. That was her agenda, and she joined this Asif Bangla Foundation's this drive. I really thank her, and Asif भाई को तो मैं बचपन से जानती हूँ, मेरे उनको देख के ऐसा मत समझना कि उनके बचपन से, मेरे बचपन से जानती हूँ। हाँ, ये पता नहीं कौन सा योगा
आपकी रील्स देखते हैं।
कौन सा स्पेशल ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं? आप शिल्पा को कॉपी करेंगे तो हड्डी वड्डी तोड़ेंगे। Whenever I see her knees, I can't copy what she's doing. I can't. Nobody can. It is a sadhana she's doing for years. She's like elastic now. So आसिफ भाई को मैं बचपन से जानती हूँ। अभी उनकी बच्ची को बचपन से देख रही हूँ। She used to come for my son's birthday party. She was so small, and now she is a like person who is taking this ahead. It takes a lot of efforts to gather politicians, all the social people, all the industry people, all the media, and she is learning all that. And of course, she is going to take all the youth together and work on this. And we will be always behind her and supporting her. ऐसे सरकार आपसे टैक्स लेती है, आपको रास्ता बना के देती है, आपको मेट्रो देती है, आपको ब्रिजेस देती है, आपको डेवलपमेंट देती है, पर एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम वापस नहीं दे सकते। आपको ही आपका ये लेना पड़ेगा, इसका निर्माण करना पड़ेगा। ये कोई टैक्स पेमेंट करने से ऑक्सीजन नहीं आएगा। इसके लिए यू ऑल हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड बी अवेयर। तो यही कहूँगी, जाते जाते उम्र भर गालिब यही भूल करता रहा, दाग चेहरे पर था, आईना साफ करता रहा। तो हमें
क्या बात है,
गलत जगह पर काम कर रहे थे, अभी हमें उस जगह पर काम करना है जो हम हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन को कुछ दे पाए। All the best to you, and thank you Asif Bangla Foundation and all the dignitaries of the life.
Minister so talented, the ambassador for environment, and obviously very much highly accomplished. Now I request Meghar and Sufi Ma'am to please come down. We have got another guest of we have honorable
अरे खाली होता है। अरे क्या करो यार, एक तो लेट है तो
this is a small memento to and for all the contributions. Rohit Pandit, RP Foundation, to receive a small token from Pankaj Rai. Yes, a small something to Mr. Vinay Mittal. And now, Jayakumar Rao ji, to work from you and the National Plantation.
Our very own dynamic Srimati Pankaj Rai, Mayor of Mumbai,
ये मागे ना, ये सुनिया
Ajit Patil, well-known distinguished actress and social icon Shilpa Shetty ji.
Megha Godawan ji, she's here, please come on stage. Humaira Kazi ji, please come on stage. Humaira Kazi ji. The opening batsman of Indian cricket team, Humaira Kazi, so proud of her. All the best for the T20 Women's World Cup 2026. Maybe, sir, please look behind us. So when you open the batting, you talk about environment, talk about the Indian cricket team. Shilpa Shetty ji, please give away to Humaira Kazi. And making the Indian women cricket team proud and winning the World Cup, and all the best for the T20 World Cup. Meghna Godawan, if she's here, I would request. Okay. Now let's all give our partners to school. We have the campaign called Bhumi Namaskar, and the Bhumi Namaskar is done through our tree plantation, through our beach cleanup, all the other activities over the years that the Bangla Foundation has been doing. such an honor for us to come under the roof of DY Patil International School to do this noble work. There is a ground just next to the school. We are planting more trees. It's hot, it's sunny. I won't say good morning, I say good hot morning. Now let's all plant the trees. Thank you.
हाँ ये जरा निकालना बाबू प्लास्टिक निकाल उसका झाड़ का बीएमसी पीपल इज कमिंग निकाल निकाल बीएमसी के हाँ आया बुला लो जल्दी किधर बुलाओ बीएमसी सब आए एक सेकंड मैं एक मिनट में झाड़ मट्टी थोड़ा बोलेंगे हाँ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ ओ बाबू आराम से बच गए फावड़ा गया फावड़ा द्या ओ चांगलं पाणी ले लो पाणी यस पाणी टाका जरा नंतर पहिले यास्मिन न करू द्या मॅडम तुझे जरा केस मागे घ्या ना केस एक मिनिट थोडा पाणी टाका आता पाणी टाका मॅम एक मिनिट मॅम मोबाईल मागे घे खाली ग्रुप विचार घ्या जरा मुलांना घ्या ना जरा पुढे या लहान मुलाला समोर ये मेरा एक मोबाइल मैंने भेजा है ना हो गया बंद हो गया पुढे आता येईल ना पाटी पाटून झूम कर पाटी बागे दादा आगे मत जाना पीछे ये पाटी बागे भाई तू आपके साइड में भाई अरे आड़े इधर अरे यार अभी यार क्या कर रहे हैं देखो ना इनको अरे यार क्या कर रहा है थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए ना आराम अरे शहर जी थोड़ा अरे शहर नहीं शिल्पा जी के हाथ में दीजिए बस शिल्पा जी फावड़ा शिल्पा जी अरे देंगे फावड़ा लेंगे अरे मोबाइल अरे रवि भाई सर तो उधर करो ये अच्छा कौन है खाली थोड़ा पीछे करो ना दादा शिल्पा जी पानी डालिए अभी पानी पानी किधर है पानी डालिए अरे यार बच्चों के साथ अरे मेरे आगे देखो कितना आगे गया 300 का लेंस लगा के कितना आगे जा रहे हैं देखो भाई उसको अरे आप लोग थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा बेटा थोड़ा पीछे लिटिल बैक थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा पीछे अरे त्यांना सांगू इकडे जे पायाचे आमचे हे नाही
बच्चे लोग पीछे हो जा बच्चे लोग
अरे गोखले तो अरे करते पाठून बघ ना ए हात नीचे कर ना मोबाईल
अरे मोबाईल मोबाईल
काही पुढे आला पंकज काही पुढे आला थोडा
फ्रेम में रहा मोबाइल हाँ यस यस अभिषेक सर चलेगा ये बादशाह है देख बीच में पूरा अरे शिवा यार पूरा फ्रेम में आ रहा है
चलो हो गया चलो अगले
लवकर लवकर
इस साइड थोड़ा रास्ता थोड़ा सा रास्ता दीजिए
रास्ता दो
सर 2 मिनट लगे आप पीछे बताइए सर
सेफ का सेफ आपको स्कॉट कर
चलो बस जगह दो आसिफ भाई अरे चल भाई उधर चल मार गया थोड़ा बस क्या कर रहे तू मेरा समोर थैंक यू
लेफ्ट में
मैम योर राइट साइड
मैडम जी यहाँ देखिए थैंक यू
हे थांबा रे इथे असं घ्या रे
थैंक यू
वेट इधर आइए
हम थोड़ा यहाँ पे दिए
आपके राइट टर्न
हम थोड़ा यहाँ पर हाँ
Right
बस
में
बस थोड़ा एक स्टेप पीछे जाओ ना एक स्टेप हाँ बस
एक नंबर
योर राइट साइड
टर्न योर राइट
राइट यस थैंक यू बाय बाय
अरे
बाय बाय गुड मॉर्निंग मैम यहाँ पे राइट साइड तानिया वो ये राइट साइड इधर तानिया राइट साइड तानिया आपके सामने इधर
गणेश के पास
मंगेश है मंगेश
गणेश के पास
तानिया इधर कटप्पा है तानिया वो
रुकिए
नहीं थैंक यू
नको रुको थांब का पुरे
थैंक यू जगह दो यार
नाही हे थांबा रे साईड लावा
अरे
तान्या जी थोड़ा दिस साइड
ए चलो यार बस मस्ती मत करो यार तुम लोग
ये गन्या है ना छोटा बच्चा बोल
एलिफेंट के
रहा है
साथ
एक एलिफेंट के साथ
अरे पंकज हाँ इकडे बघा
हाँ, वो
इकडे
नहीं इधर
ए इकडे बघ इकडे मैम
हाँ,
राइट साइड
और कौन है
एक आसिफ भाई के साथ
हाँ
एक आसिफ भाई के साथ
एक आसिफ भाई के साथ ये पीछे आ जाओ पीछे पाछड़ जाओ
आसिफ भाई आइए एक फोटो करते हैं फोटो करते हैं आसिफ भाई छाव में आइए यहाँ पे आसिफ भाई सामने
या सेंटर कैमरा प्लीज
Thank
यस
you.
या
थँक यू माझ्याकडे समजलं नाव ऐकलंस ना या तो उभं करूया मॅम थांबा ना तिथे एक फोटो घेऊ द्या तुमचा हां हां या मागे मागे रे मागे सगळे मागे अंदर अंदर नहीं रुकेंगे नहीं रुक रही है वो इकडे 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 इधर इधर छाव में रुको छाव में मैडम मैडम
अरे के फोटो के
अरे रवि भाई सुनी नहीं रे
अरे अगेंस्ट लाइट है भाई इधर खड़े करो ना
हाँ जाओ जाओ गाड़ी पीछे लाइट बहुत अगेंस्ट नहीं है लाइट अगेंस्ट नहीं चलो
Yeah. And we have the Consul General of Brazil in Mumbai, the Consul General of Brazil also here. Now, I will request everyone to please be seated. We'll make it more organized if everybody is in a very disciplined line. Niti Mohanji, please मंच पर आइए आप. Yeah, Chaya Momaya, I'm sorry, ma'am. Just saw you, Chaya ma'am. Please come on stage, Chaya Momaya ji. I request the Consul General of Brazil also to please come on stage. Chaya Momaya, she has been also being part of the foundation over the years. The Consul General of Brazil to please come on stage. We have Mr. Now can we present all this wonderful Yasmin Karachiwala ji? Done, sir. Faye D'Souza. Oh, that's Faye D'Souza, ma'am.
Yes, this is actually this proof that everybody comes from all under one roof. So it's not about the place, it's about the contribution what people are doing here. Okay, Madam, please join the gang here.
Thank you.
Sir, I'll give you the mic. We have Pankaja Dai here, so I would request Pankaja Dai to give a small momentum to Shilpa Shetty ji.
Yeah.
The small momentum presented by Pankaja Dai and Jay Kumar Rawal ji. Consul General of Brazil, a small momentum to be given by Jay Kumar Rawal ji. And then Faye D'Souza.
शेर जी
ट्राइपॉड लगाओ पीछे ट्राइपॉड पे
शेरा नहीं दिख रहा है शेर
Yes, Veera, can I have the award?
शिल्पा जी आगे आइए थोड़ा वी कांट सी योर फेस
शिल्पा जी आगे आइए
अरे चेहरा ही नहीं दिख रहा है हाँ
Ajinkya ji, sir, please come here. Now we request the person who received the award kindly be seated. So we can... I would request all our dignitaries who have received the award to please come front side. All our guests who have received the award are requested to please kindly be seated.
जिनके जी चलो कैमरे पे चलो सब पंकज जी एक मिनट शिल्पा जी जरा दोघांचा एक फोटो काढा पंकज जी
Now request Shilpa Shetty ji to please come and say a few words. Shilpa Shetty ma'am.
पुढे थोडं पुढे ना बस लांब आहेत ना ते ओ भाई साहब क्या है कोण आहे रे एक मिनिट ताई इकडे लेफ्ट साइडला
Shilpa ma'am, please, the podium is yours.
हाँ वेट थैंक यू अरे बोलू द्या रे
Good afternoon to everyone. I'd like to welcome welcome a lot of people on the podium. Firstly, Jai Kumar ji, Pankaj ji, Ritu ji, who has just left. Asif ji, thank you so much for inviting me. All the amazing guests on the podium.
हाँ शाबाश
Good luck.
शुभ
मतलब एयर क्वालिटी अच्छी हो जाएगी. हाँ. No, I just think that we're all here to acknowledge and celebrate in advance World Environment Day, and for someone who is always talked about wellness, people think it's really about oneself and the body and the mind. But for me, I think it's not just about how we care for ourselves. It's also about how we think, how we live, and about the wellness in our environment. So I think it's so important to spread the word.
मैं तुम्हारे साथ ही
And if I'm able to leverage my name to causes like this and play a catalyst in being able to make a difference, I think today we've decided on planting more trees. I really believe that plants are our real heroes. They give us shade, oxygen, and they truly are going to last us a lifetime. And you can't undermine what that does to the climate, to our environment. And what better place than a school? So thank you, Pooja, for giving us your premises. I don't know where she's from. Yes, thank you. Very kind of you. I think once we understand that the earth doesn't belong to us and we belong to the earth, I think the shift will happen to make small changes in our life by being mindful, being aware, being connected to the earth is truly the need of the hour. Be able to inculcate those values, in our future generation and in our kids, because I just feel that small shifts at home, making sure that the water isn't running when they're brushing their teeth, switching off the lights when they leave the room. It's a constant bugbear with my 14-year-old at home, but a constant reminder, somewhere sowing the seed in their subconscious that this is an important change that we need to make. I think we will have to walk the talk and then they will follow suit. So I really believe that today's event is an important one for change, and I'm so happy, Asif bhai, that you constantly take the initiative to wanting to make the change. Pankaj ji, I have to say that since you have taken over, I can definitely see an improvement in the air quality. So, yeah, kudos to you. I know you're making a lot of changes in the way you are looking at things, and it has to be appreciated. And I really believe that, planting a tree today is like planting a hope for tomorrow. So I think on that note, let's get going with what we're here to do. Thank you so much for all of you coming out here in huge numbers. Swasth raho, mast raho, and save the environment.
Thank you so much.